Hey guys, welcome back to the Beehive. Welcome to the channel. I am outside. I wanted to do this quick little video. It's not going to be a long one. I wanted to give an update on our little mini greenhouse that we did, our little DIY, and just show you. I think it's been about a week. I'll post it here in the video. What day I think it's been a week ago that I posted it. I am excited to show you what it looks like now. And it is so windy in North Carolina today. I was almost not going to film this because hopefully it doesn't pick up all the wind. Anyways, before I show you that, let me just show you something else that I noticed on my deck today. All right, so look at that. And that. And that. So that was a crop that I planted last year, and I never harvested it, actually, just because I didn't think that they did very well. Pause the video. What do you think it is? All right, so if you guessed potatoes, you're right. I have little potato plants coming up. I'm so excited. I'm gonna go ahead and just let them grow and see what happens. All right, so let's take a look at our little DIY greenhouse box. So as you can see, one nice thing about our box right now, look at all the condensation. That's awesome. That means that it is definitely providing a lot of warmth in there and a lot of humidity, right? So let's go ahead and look. The big reveal. What does it look like? Ooh, look at that. How exciting. Everything is doing so well. I got my broccoli and my cauliflower coming up. I got some radishes like randomly popping up as well. And yeah, all the lettuces are coming up. We did a bunch of different lettuce in here. We did spinach, romaine, and I may have to thin this out, you know, as everything grows. But look at that. It works, guys. Yeah, and I will link that video in the description below if you're coming across this video first and you don't know what we're talking about. You'll see what we made with our little DIY greenhouse box, and you can do this year round. No matter where you live, as long as you get like pretty good sunlight. You know, keeping it on the ground will help keep it warmer on the bottom, but I just keep it on my deck. I get enough sun. And yeah, the other thing too is thrift these boxes. If you don't have a lid, like this one has a lid that it sits on, that's okay. You can just put your bag of dirt on the ground and put your box over top. Because a lot of times you'll come across these clear boxes at the thrift store for next to nothing, or even a yard sale. And you can use that. And don't feel like you can't go smaller or even bigger. You know, you could take and use, which I wish I would have done this, like get a bunch of potting plants and just put them together and then put a lid over top of them. That way you have your plants individually planted and you can just pop them in the ground when the seedlings get more mature and more stable, right? I may actually do that. I might go thrifting and see if I can find some of the clear Tupperware containers. Yeah, I'm excited. So that's a lot of growth in a very short period of time. And I was excited to get so many new subscribers with that video. So just welcoming you all to the channel, and those who have always been watching our channel for a long time now. Thanks for always commenting and everything like that. I read everything, and it just means the world to me. And I just hope that I can inspire you to do something like this, because it's so easy, so affordable, simple, almost foolproof. We got radishes in there, lettuce, cauliflower, broccoli. Of course, I'll have to retransplant the cauliflower and the broccoli because size-wise, it's just not going to work in there. And I'll have to thin everything out as it grows and maybe try to transplant some of them. But yeah, give it a try, even if it gets you a head start on your season to plant your seedlings. So real quick, while we are on the topic of gardening, I want to show you what I was able to get for free. It's not installed yet, but I'm thinking about doing a video of the process. Let me show you what it is. I got my rain barrel. Okay, I'm gonna stay in the garage just because the wind is blowing so much. But yeah, that's gonna be my rain harvesting container, if you want to call it that. We're gonna set it up out by the garden, put a spigot on it, and use that water to water the garden. And I'm really excited to use that yeah, let me know in the comments below if you have anything like this for your garden. I've never had anything like this before, but we're gonna give it a try. That's a 55-gallon drum. So yeah, I'll take you along that process once we start it. We're gonna go to Lowe's and find a spigot, and we have to put a guttering system on our current shed. Just a little quick update video for you all. Again, hello to all the new subscribers, and yeah, leave some comments in the comments down below. I love to build like a community where we can all kind of communicate together and learn from each other. Just so happy you guys are along for the ride. All right, that's gonna do it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.